As we have completed with model 2, that in which we have seen the manual way, okay, and all these details are being seen in this manual way. We were going to see two ways, like the manual way and the advanced fast way. As we have completed with this manual way with complete details, like seeing the modeling part, defining part, then assigning part, then analysis, and then complete designing part. Okay, after all these things, we will be now move on to this model to advanced fast way. Means all the detail of this model will be the same. Okay, as of now we will be just you forming this part only, right? Okay, by using this AutoCAD file, this AutoCAD template here, we will be making this model. Okay, how to make it model, how to import it, and all these things we will be seeing it. Okay, as of now we have seen in the manual way, that is the column orientation and one way and two way slab discussion, and all the before step we have done completely. Okay, so as of now we will be seeing the advanced fast way of the same model 2. In it, first of all, we will seeing for the import the AutoCAD plan to ETABS, that is the advanced fast way. Okay, so basically the format name you should know for the this AutoCAD file. As we have saved, it is called as the practice model 2.dwg. What is this .dwg? This is called, its full form is drawing. Okay, and when we want to import into the other format, other apps like this of the ETABS and all that, we need to export it in the form of the .dxf format, and that dxf format name is called as, the full form is called as the drawing exchange format, also called as the drawing interchange format. Okay, so basically we will be first of all seeing how to import this AutoCAD plan, and then after we will be modeling it and seeing all the detail of it as like of the first manual way. Okay, let's get started.